Error number 8 is blocked hose failed back pressure. This occurs when the system detects a blockage. Let me simulate that error for you. I'm going to put a severe bend in the hose, pull the trigger, and initially I have an error 7 which says tie in hose. I'm going to press the back button without clearing it, leave my bend there, pull the trigger, and now my error says blocked hose, error number 8. What I'm going to do is press the silence button and then press the air burst button, and it cleared the tie out of the hose. And then what I'm going to do is just press the trigger and it advances a tie, and then you're ready to go. Some initial checks that you can make for this error message are make sure that there's no severe bends in the hose. Check your line pressure to make sure it's set 80 psi. Make sure you have good connections on both the dispenser and hand tool end of the hose. And you can also check your internal convey, which we've covered on error number 7, tie in hose. If the problem persists, there's a blockage that the system can't clear. Could be one of 3 places: the dispenser, the PHM feeder hose, or the hand tool. The most likely cause is the PHM feeder hose, and as a hose wears out, it's possible to get a couple ties stuck in it, so we recommend keeping a spare PHM feeder hose on hand. If the PHM feeder hose doesn't resolve the problem, remove the hose from the dispenser end, grab a cable tie upside down and slide it back in the hole where the tie comes out the dispenser. Slide it back in and check for an obstruction. If you find an obstruction, refer to error number 5, dispenser jam, for clearing the error. If you haven't found the blockage in either the PHM hose or the dispenser, disconnect the hand tool from the hose. And what you want to do is check for a tie in the hose. So what I'm going to do is grab a cable tie, the head facing upright, and slide the tie in here and drop the tie down. And as you can see, the tie is actually, you see the tip of the tie in the throat of the tool here, so the tie's made it through. You don't ever want to use a sharp object to poke through there, but if you do find an obstruction inside the hand tool, you want to refer to error number 12, tie stuck, tool sensor obstructed video. That's how you clear error number 8 on your PAT 4.0 system.